The market theme Wall Street going strong. Nifty bulls are aiming to take over the positive baton from a new record closing high at Wall Street where the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite scaled new highs once again. Wall Street's biggest positive catalyst. 1. Upbeat US labor data. 2. AI-driven optimism. Sharp call of the day. The unsinkable benchmark Nifty will aim to stay afloat despite 1. Headwinds from the Iran war. 2. The Strait of Hormuz still in mess. 3. Sticky oil prices at $95 a barrel. The big economic triggers this week. India. CPI inflation data, Tuesday, 12th May. WPI inflation data, Thursday, 14th May 2014. Trade deficit data, Friday, 15th May. China. Inflation and PPI data, Monday, 11th May. Trade balance and current account data, key focus. United States. US CPI inflation, Tuesday, 12th May. PPI inflation, Wednesday, 13th May. Retail sales, Thursday, 14th May. Bottom line, expect Dalal Street to remain range-bound and highly headline-driven, as investors closely track crude oil prices, inflation trends, central bank commentary, geopolitics, and Q4 earnings for fresh direction. Nifty's make-or-break support remains at psychological 24,000 mark. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Friday's volatile session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 41.11 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 67.48 crores. Sentiments are likely to be waver for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are suggesting some consolidation play. FNO month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has slipped near 16.84 levels. At last check, USD INR, May, was hovering near 94.54 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th May, is at 1.10 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.84. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.45. Midcap Nifty is at 1.29. Nifty outlook. Nifty may waver a bit, but history says a strong rally is next. The benchmark's resilience is clearly visible on backdrop of cooling oil prices and supportive global cues strengthen the bullish undertone. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 4176. Biggest make-or-break support for Nifty is now placed at 24,000 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,602 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,100 and 24,400. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 77328. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 76,773 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 79,367 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 77,000 to 78,100. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 55311. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 54,211 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 56,500 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,000 and 56,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. 1. Youth HES. President Donald Trump is scheduled to visit Beijing on May 14 to 15 for a high-stakes summit with Chinese President Xi Jinping. Geopolitical tensions, particularly trade tariffs, Taiwan, the Iran war, and artificial intelligence, AI, loom over the upcoming meeting. Market participants and geopolitical observers increasingly believe that Xi may enter the summit from a position of relative strength, as Washington seeks Beijing's cooperation on global trade stability, rare earth supplies, and the Strait of Hormuz crisis, while China continues to leverage its economic and strategic influence. 2. The positive takeaway from last week's trade. Nifty Midcap 100 and Nifty Smallcap 100 ended on a strong note, with both indices rallying nearly 4%. In fact, the Nifty Midcap 100 scaled a fresh record high. Our take. The sharp outperformance in midcaps is likely to continue on the backdrop of strong earnings momentum. 1. Favorable sectoral positioning. 2. Sustained institutional participation. 3. Domestic growth story. 4. Government capex push. 5. Improving balance sheets. Many Indian midcaps have reduced debt and improved cash flows significantly over the last few years. Stocks in spotlight. Key Q4 F26 earnings to trickle in. Monday, 11th May 2026, Abbott India, Canc, Indotel, JSW ENERGY, UPL. Tuesday, 12th May 2026, Burj Paint, Dixon, Pfizer, Tata Power, Vanguard. 1. State Bank of India shares plunged 6.6% on Friday after the bank reported weaker than expected Q4 FY26 earnings, while a sharp sequential rise in slippages further dented investor confidence. 2. Titan Company scaled fresh 52-week high on reporting a strong Q4 FY26 performance, with consolidated net profit rising 35.36% YoY to 1,179 crore rupees compared to 871 crore rupees in the year-ago quarter. 3. Biocon posted a 56.8% decline in consolidated net profit to 198.6 crore rupees for Q4 FY26, impacted by exceptional expenses of 80.4 crore rupees, including costs related to the new labor code implementation. 4. Shares of BSE, minus 1.42%, witnessed profit booking on Friday after the exchange reported largely inline quarterly earnings. 5. Sonata Software surged nearly 9.75%, extending gains for a third consecutive session after reporting its March quarter results. 6. Firstsource Solutions rallied 16.62% amid heavy trading volumes, supported by optimistic business outlook commentary.